Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the Surface Pen is powered and paired. First, inspect and swap the battery if the tip feels unresponsive, then press and hold the pen button to enter pairing mode. Next, open Settings, go to Devices, and add the pen under Bluetooth so the system recognizes it. Once paired, enable pen settings under Pen and Windows Ink so pressure, single click, and eraser behavior are available. These steps get hardware and OS ready for precise writing and drawing. Now you configure how the pen behaves so your strokes match intent. In Pen and Windows Ink, set pressure sensitivity and assign single and double-click functions. These choices change how apps respond. If strokes appear offset, use the calibration tool to align the tip with the screen, follow on-screen crosshairs, and tap until accuracy is consistent. Also map the barrel button to your preferred shortcut or audio capture, and test in a drawing app to confirm the pen writes where you expect it to. Finish by practicing and addressing common issues so you stay productive. Open OneNote or another ink-friendly app and try writing, erasing, and using shortcuts. Swap nibs to change friction and control. If you encounter lag, toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart the Surface, and update or reinstall the Surface Pen driver to resolve software hiccups. If drift or non-response continues, replace the nib or battery, and contact support for a possible hardware repair. This often fixes persistent faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.